Few things are more fascinating than a compelling conspiracy theory with scientific backing. In our list, we will go over some really heated hypotheses. Some appear to be sincerely stupid and good-natured. Put it this way, you'll never look at bird feeders the same again. So strap in, put on your tinfoil helmet, and let's take a look at some scientifically supported and discredited conspiracy theories. Flat Earth conspiracy theory. For over 2,000 years, humans have understood that the Earth is round. Or did we? The Flat Earth Society, yes, disagrees with this widely believed idea. Even though an ancient Egyptian scientist named Eratosthenes demonstrated that Earth was round and was able to determine its circumference, and there is actual footage of Earth rotating, the FES suggests an alternative. The FES argument boils down to a few key elements. According to the company's website, the horizon always rises to meet eye level, which is impossible on a ball Earth. Surfaces of bodies of water have been shown to be level. Even from aeroplanes, the curve of Earth cannot be seen. Though this conspiracy professes to be scientific, it is clear that it fails when confronted with real science. Fluoridation of water supply. Fluoride is the name given to a class of compounds made up of the naturally occurring element fluorine with one or more additional elements. Fluorides occur naturally in water and soil at various concentrations. Scientists discovered in the 1940s that people who lived in areas where drinking water sources included naturally occurring fluoride had fewer dental cavities than those with lower fluoride levels. Fluoride was eventually discovered to prevent and even reverse tooth decay by blocking bacteria that create acid in the mouth and promoting remineralization. The rebuilding of tooth enamel. Grand Rapids, Michigan became the first city to fluoridate its common water in 1945. By 2008, more than 72% of the U.S. population served by public water systems had access to fluoridated water. However, this technique was not without criticism and collusion. Some people suspected the government put it in city water sources to keep the citizenry apathetic. Furthermore, the conspiracists claimed that the government was utilizing a substance known as fluoride to deceive the public into believing it was beneficial. Others felt fluoride was used to reduce children's IQ. There was even conspiracy speculation that the entire fluoridation program was a communist operation. Birds aren't real. The next scientific conspiracy theory is interesting. It has been around since at least 2017, but its members claim it dates back to the 1950s. Let us begin by setting the record straight. This conspiracy theory is meant to be a comedic production that mocks conspiracy theories and theorists. However, the organization has more than 300,000 members on Reddit and over 300,000 on Instagram. Though absurd, the birds aren't real hypothesis is rather straightforward. According to this group, the US government has replaced all birds with robotic reproductions equipped with cameras and tracking equipment. This group also claims that birds sit on electricity lines to charge their batteries and that bird feces is utilized for tracking. While this group began as a satire and jest, how many real conspiracy theories started in the same way? The moon landing conspiracy theory. Since our origins, humans have been fascinated by the moon, sun, and stars. There have been several scientific hypotheses, and as research has grown, so has our understanding. However, one conspiracy hypothesis has persisted, at least since the 1970s. Some people believe that the moon landing never happened. Instead, theorists argue that the moon landing was staged and shot on a studio. According to the moon landing conspiracy, the U.S. administration staged the landing to boost national pride and exert supremacy over the Soviet Union during the Cold War. The key evidence for this hypothesis is that the moon's flag is waving, and since there is no atmosphere in space, there should be no breeze to cause the flag to wave. Although there is a simple answer, inertia, many people still believe in this conspiracy notion.